Hello and welcome again. Today a short video about diamond painting. The last video that I made was 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and was pretty long. I just want to show you how far the painting is now. So this is what I already did. So you can see the face of Donald Duck very good. And actually this is a 40 by 50 canvas, and I think it's pretty neat. It's pretty sharp. You can really see what's on the picture. Here's the ball, a star, sea star. Here also a star. This is the wheel of a ship. It's a little bit difficult to see. Now the rope you can see very well. It's a stone and glass, so in the blue parts you can see it very good that it's a stone and glass, also with the line above and here on the sides. In the hand it's not really a problem, the stone and glass. Oh, sorry. But the thing that I think is strange is this. First I was thinking, okay, it's wrong, I did it wrong, I put a wrong color there, but actually when I see the picture that comes with the canvas, where you have your color index, it's also a line. So it's a stone and glass, so it's a new type of glass that I put. And like this, you see I have this part, and then I'm halfway, and at the bottom part here are the nephews, and yeah, the rest of Donald. Today we are going to do this part, and I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to talk, and I will show you the whole part of diamond painting. So the whole square, I will film it for you, but I will let it go faster. So otherwise it's a 30 minutes video again. So let me get my stuff, my diamonds, I will get it ready, and then we continue. I'm done with the preparations, so we can start. I have my black diamonds already, I have my diamonds here, and my part is here. The lighting pad is on, so we can start. Enjoy.